Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I wanted to take a second and just share with you the latest release from Picket Fence. And I don't know if I got it all, but I got a lot of the good things here. So I just want to share it with you, and I will start with some stamps. Karma Girl. It's a really, can you call it a sassy one? Karma kicks butt and takes names for free. So really cute. I believe it doesn't have a coordinating die, but this would be a fairly easy image to cut if you'd like to do that. Super sweet. And then we have this one, We Are a Fishy Lot. We Are a Fishy Lot, and Picket Fence has like a similar images in a couple of other stamp sets. Hang on, I will see if I can get them. So there might be even more than these, but I have used these a lot, and my girl loves it. This one is called More of a Fish Lot. Super sweet. And you can see that this image is a smaller one of that one. And then we have this one that is called Fishy Lot. And then you can see that there is coordinating dies for that one. And there is also this one, Super Sweet. And this one is called Even More of a Fishy Lot. Coordinating dies for those sets. Amazing. I know that I will be back soon with a video for this. I just love them. I think they are super pretty. And then when we are talking about fish, there is also this set, Oh Fish Alley. I believe it's Oh Fish Alley. So I just wanted to pop in here real quick. I am sitting and editing this video, and I see that it's of course is officially. I just love when I'm reading this stuff out and I'm like seeing the product for the first time. I don't get it, but now I get it. And you can see you have a solid layer, and then you can stamp the details on top. You have coordinating dies. I love this. I think they are super sweet. I cannot wait to try this one. And before I move on, I just wanted to share this with you. This could be a Scene Builder Sand, it's called. So it could be like a backdrop for the images as you showed you. And there's also this one with scales. And this one is called Slimline C Scale Stencil. And you have it in Slimline and 6x6. So you have a different scale of it. So you can see which one fits you the best, or if you need to get both. And there is also this beautiful sun rays. So we have a couple of different ones. You can see this slimline one is really fun for building texture in the background. It goes down to a thin point down here. And then we have it to the other direction if this is what you want for your project. So it goes down to a thinner point here. And then we have the 6x6. I would probably have it like this, or maybe it's meant to go that way, but I would think it would go this way for my projects, but you can do whatever you like. And then we have the new size that we released last month, and this is the 6x8. Really loving this size, so it's perfect for all of your projects that are a little bit bigger than an A2. So I just wanted to share those. And then we have some other fun things here. This is some snarky, I would say, sentiments that could be fun to have on your Valentine's card for your BFFs. Really like that one. And this one, Finish Line. I think this is amazing. I think this is super cute. You can see all of these people running towards the finish line, and you have some victors over here, and you got a good amount of sentiments as well. And for the dies and the remaining three stencils here, I think this was one of my favorites from this release. You can see the butterflies here. I will move this to the side. So you have the body of the butterfly, and then the cutout piece and a detailed layer. And you have another type of butterfly here, and a third one as well. I hope the camera is picking up how this would look. And if that wouldn't be enough, there is also dies for this and coordinating smaller butterflies, as well as the sentiment for this. So you can see how nicely this would be to use together. So this butterfly, I believe, would be that one. And then we have the next one here. Super pretty. Just love that. And then the last one we have here. Super cute. So I think this 6 products, but this trio for me is a must-have from this release. And then we have this large butterfly. You can see it here. It's really beautiful. And I don't know how big it is, but I can measure it for you. So you can see you have an inside layer and an outside layer. So it's around 4 inch by 4 inch by 4¼ a little bit more than that. And you have your detailed layer inside here, super beautiful. And then the last standalone die for this release is this beautiful English rose, super detailed. And you have the outer part here and the inner part as well, so beautiful. I just love this. And then we have some embellishment. This is my favorite from this release. I hope the camera is picking it up. How beautiful this is. Butterfly batch. Super pretty and perfect for the products that we released this month. Fish food. So a little bit more toned down mix of flowers and hearts and iridescent sequins. Super pretty. And then we have a larger one. I don't know the name for this. I probably will find a note somewhere, but I cannot remember it at the top of my head. But it's this blue sequin mix with some garnishing, some whales or some fish, and yeah, blue sequins in all the shapes. Oh my god, why did I do this? You can see you have these ones as well. Super pretty. Really love that. Oh, that actually went really nice. How about that? And then we have one more. No name at this one as well. I have all the names, but I put it by the computer, so maybe I can edit it in. You can see here how beautiful this mix is. So much shine. Love it. Perfect for Valentine's. Love, 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 love. Okay, and then I know it's been a couple of months since we got new like mixed media pastes, but it's time again, and this one is so beautiful. You guys, look at this. Look at it. It's a velvet like velvet glittery product. Just love it. Amazing. And then we have a couple of more. This is velvet as well. It's really pale yellow color. Beautiful. I believe this is velvet as well. No, this is not velvet. This is the glaze. Look at it. Oh, that shine. I just love it. I want to use it with the English rose so badly. Make that into a stencil and then just shove it through. Let's see what this is. Oh, so it's another one. Another one. Super beautiful. Love this one. Okay guys, let me know down in the comments which product you like the most, and if there is something you like me to try first and do a video about, because I have been quite bad at updating my content here on my YouTube channel. I have been sharing a lot of projects on Picket Fence YouTube as well as their Instagram account. So I want to be better on updating this account as well, because I just love all the products. So I hope you find something that you want me to try, and maybe I can make a video out of it. Until next time, have a great day. Bye! So I hope you liked the closer look at the new release from Picket Fence. I love this butterfly so much, and I couldn't wait to create a card, so I created one for you today, and I did it into a shaped card. So I have my cardstock here, making sure that I have a little bit of an overhang at the top of the butterfly, so that I don't cut through the whole panel. So I have my panel here. I cut it down slightly so it would fit better in my die cutting machine, and I will adhere it down just so it doesn't shift when I run it through. And when it comes out, you can see that the upper part will not cut, so I have a card base that is in the shape of a butterfly. So after I did that, I also took the intricate bit here, and I took some adhesive to the back side. I will speed this up, and I will adhere it down to the outer layer, and then I will create a rainbow. So I did this, I just pressed away some of the glue because you don't want the adhesive to seep underneath when you're doing this technique, but it's because it's hard to color over it later. Then I picked out some of my markers, and I will gently go over all of the parts that is in the same area here, and just color them in 2 shades. Sped up the process here a little bit, but you can see that I'm going over it a couple of times, making sure that I have a good transition between the colors and that I'm not going outside the outer area here. And it doesn't matter if it goes on top of my die cut piece, because I will cut out another butterfly and adhere it on top. So here it looks when it's all colored in, and here I cut it once more out of some white glitter cardstock, and then I will adhere it on the top just using some liquid glue, pressing that once more to the side, just making sure that I don't have any adhesive seeping out underneath my die cut piece here. And then I'm taking this part and adhering it down to the shaped card that we created in the beginning. So I had a card base, and then I had my die cut piece on top. So that was how you can create a shaped card out of these fun large dies. But I will also create a sentiment. So in one of the other butterfly set that I shared with you earlier, there is this intricate die that cuts out magical friend, and I decided to cut that out of some gold metallic cardstock, and I actually layered that up a couple of times just to get some dimension. So here we have our finished shaped card. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you find this inspiring, and that you caught something in the release that you think would be fun to play with. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!